Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can zoom in and out of your videos using keyframes. So go to keyframes here on transform and just add it there and then zoom in to your video like so. To zoom out, you're going to add a keyframe again here. Oops, sorry. I'm going to add a keyframe again here. And then you're just going to double click on the scale to zoom out as well as the position. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.